Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. Today, we will practice 100 very easy daily life questions and answers. These questions are simple and useful. Please listen carefully and speak with me. Let's start our practice.
What is your name?
My name is John.
How are you today?
I am fine today.
Where do you live?
I live in a small town.
How old are you?
I am 25 years old.
Are you happy today?
Yes, I am happy today.
Are you busy today?
Yes, I am a little busy today.
What do you do?
I work from home.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am a student.
Do you like learning English?
Yes, I like learning English.
Is English easy for you?
Sometimes it is easy, sometimes it is difficult.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 in the morning.
Do you wake up early?
Yes, I wake up early.
What do you do after waking up?
I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Do you drink water in the morning?
Yes, I drink a glass of water.
Do you exercise in the morning?
Sometimes I do simple exercise.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, I eat breakfast every day.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and eggs.
Do you drink tea or coffee?
I usually drink tea.
Do you like tea?
Yes, I like tea very much.
Do you watch the news in the morning?
Sometimes I watch the news.
What do you do in the morning?
I start my work or study.
Do you go outside every day?
Yes, sometimes I go outside.
Do you use your phone a lot?
Yes, I use my phone every day.
Do you check social media?
Yes, sometimes I check social media.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I like reading books.
What do you do in your free time?
I watch videos and listen to music.
Do you like music?
Yes, I like music.
What kind of music do you like?
I like soft and relaxing music.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, sometimes I watch TV.
What is your favorite TV show?
My favorite show is a comedy show.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is rice and chicken.
Do you like vegetables?
Yes, I like vegetables.
Do you like fruit?
Yes, I like fruit. What fruit do you like? I like mango and banana.
Do you drink milk?
Yes, sometimes I drink milk.
Do you cook at home?
Yes, sometimes I cook at home.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I like spicy food.
Do you eat fast food?
Sometimes I eat fast food.
Do you drink cold drinks?
Sometimes I drink cold drinks.
Do you like sweets?
Yes, I like sweets.
Do you work or study?
I work from home.
Do you like your work?
Yes, I like my work.
Do you study English every day?
Yes, I study English every day.
How do you practice English?
I practice by speaking and listening.
Do you watch English videos?
Yes, I watch English videos.
Do you read English books?
Yes, sometimes I read English books.
Is English important for you?
Yes, English is very important.
Do you write in English?
Yes, I sometimes write in English.
Do you speak English with friends?
Sometimes I speak English with friends.
Do you enjoy learning new words?
Yes, I enjoy learning new words.
What do you do in the afternoon?
I continue my work.
Do you take a rest in the afternoon?
Yes, sometimes I take a short rest.
Do you go outside in the afternoon?
Sometimes I go outside.
Do you eat lunch at home?
Yes, I eat lunch at home.
What do you eat for lunch?
I usually eat rice and vegetables.
Do you drink water often?
Yes, I drink water many times.
Do you feel tired in the afternoon?
Sometimes I feel a little tired.
Do you talk with friends in the afternoon?
Yes, sometimes I talk with friends.
Do you watch videos in the afternoon?
Yes, sometimes I watch videos.
Do you relax in the afternoon?
Yes, I relax for some time.
What do you do in the evening?
I spend time with my family.
Do you walk in the evening?
Yes, sometimes I take a walk.
Do you watch TV in the evening?
Yes, sometimes I watch TV.
Do you drink tea in the evening?
Yes, I drink tea in the evening.
Do you talk with family members?
Yes, I talk with my family.
Do you help at home?
Yes, I help with small tasks.
Do you use your phone in the evening?
Yes, sometimes I use my phone.
Do you listen to music in the evening?
Yes, I listen to music.
Do you relax in the evening?
Yes, I relax after work.
Do you enjoy your evening time?
Yes, I enjoy my evening time.
What do you do at night?
I watch videos or read something.
Do you eat dinner with family?
Yes, I eat dinner with my family.
What do you eat for dinner?
I eat rice, vegetables, and sometimes fish.
Do you watch movies at night?
Sometimes I watch movies.
Do you read books at night?
Sometimes I read books.
Do you check your phone before sleep?
Yes, sometimes I check my phone.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed around 10 o'clock.
Do you sleep early?
Yes, I try to sleep early.
Do you sleep well at night?
Yes, I usually sleep well.
Do you feel relaxed at night?
Yes, I feel relaxed.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I like traveling.
Do you like nature?
Yes, I like nature.
Do you like animals?
Yes, I like animals.
Do you have a favorite color?
Yes, my favorite color is blue.
Do you like sunny weather?
Yes, I like sunny weather.
Do you like rainy days?
Yes, sometimes I like rainy days.
Do you like meeting new people?
Yes, I like meeting new people.
Do you like learning new things?
Yes, I like learning new things.
Do you like helping people?
Yes, I like helping people.
Do you enjoy simple life?
Yes, I enjoy a simple life.
Are you a positive person?
Yes, I try to stay positive.
Do you smile often?
Yes, I smile often.
Do you like peaceful places?
Yes, I like peaceful places.
Do you like quiet mornings?
Yes, I like quiet mornings.
Do you enjoy your daily life?
Yes, I enjoy my daily life.
Do you feel thankful for your life?
Yes, I feel thankful.
Do you try to improve yourself?
Yes, I try every day.
Do you like simple habits?
Yes, simple habits are good.
Do you believe in hard work?
Yes, I believe in hard work.
Do you believe in practice?
Yes, practice is very important.
So, my dear friends, this brings us to the end of today's practice. I hope these 100 very easy daily life questions and answers helped you practice English in a simple and comfortable way. Remember, learning English is not about speaking perfectly. It is about speaking a little every day and building confidence slowly. If you practice these questions every day for a few minutes, your speaking will become easier and more natural.